What if I told you the man who built the largest empire in history never tracked calories, never drank protein shakes, and survived on horse meat and sour milk? This is how Genghis Khan ate. Today, we dive into the brutal, simple diet of the Mongol warriors to answer one bold question: can you eat like a Mongol, and is it even worth it? Forget comfort. Forget cravings. Genghis Khan didn't eat for pleasure. He ate for survival, for strength, for domination. To him, food was fuel, nothing more. His body wasn't a temple, it was a weapon. The Mongol diet was built on three things: endurance over taste, discipline over indulgence, conquest over comfort. While kings sat at golden banquet tables, the Mongols rode for 12 hours a day, fueled by a chunk of dried meat and a sip of something sour. So, what did Genghis Khan actually eat? Here's a warrior's menu: boiled meat, mostly lamb or horse, no spices, no oil, just salt and steam. Arag, fermented mare's milk, sour, fizzy, and slightly alcoholic. One sip feels like yogurt, vinegar, and smoke mixed in a leather bottle. Hardened cheese, dry, tough, chewed slowly during long rides. Bone broth, boiled for hours, full of fat and nutrients. Wild fruits, only when found in conquered lands. Blood mixed with milk, a raw energy drink for the battlefield. No snacks, no desserts, no fancy meals. Just what the body needs and nothing more. Why did they eat so simply? Because it made them unstoppable. This diet gave them strength, discipline, freedom. When you eat like a Mongol, you need less. You carry less. You rely on no one. They believed hunger sharpens the mind and comfort makes men weak. Even Genghis Khan reminded himself,
"A full belly softens the heart, but sharp hunger sharpens the sword."
Want to feel like a warrior for 24 hours? Try this. Eat just 2 meals, boiled meat only, no sauce or spices, drink only water or plain milk, no caffeine, no sugar, no flavor. Carry dried meat or cheese if you travel, no processed food, no snacks, nothing soft or sweet. If you're truly bold, try a sip of fermented mare's milk. Just one sip, you'll never forget it. Let's be honest, eating like Genghis Khan is hard. It's bland, it's rough, it's raw. But here's what you get in exchange: laser focus, more energy, fewer crashes, warrior-level discipline, and a mindset that says,
you're not just eating to live, you're living with intention.
if you found strength in simplicity, smash that like button. If you're crazy enough to try the Mongol diet for a day, comment for the Khan below. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.